Welcome to HomePan Tri-Pro, and today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to be the workhorse of your kitchen. We've got the stainless steel cookware set, an 8-piece set featuring Tri-Ply pots and pans, and it boasts being PFOA and PTFE free, dishwasher and oven safe, and induction compatible. So, does this set live up to its claims? Let's find out. First impressions are important, and this set delivers a comprehensive collection of essentials. You get a 10-inch and a 12-inch frying pan, a 10-inch Saute pan with a lid, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 4-quart stock pot also with a lid. This is a fantastic starting point for anyone setting up a new kitchen, whether it's for a small apartment, an RV, or just to refresh your existing cookware. The variety ensures you have the right tool for most everyday cooking tasks. Now, let's talk about the material. This is where the stainless steel performance really comes into play. The set is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. What's particularly noteworthy here is the emphasis on an uncoated, non-toxic surface. In a world increasingly concerned about chemicals leaching into our food, this is a significant advantage. The brand highlights that this offers a healthier cooking experience compared to Teflon or ceramic options, and I have to agree that a pure stainless steel surface provides a certain peace of mind. It's a material known for its durability and resistance to corrosion, which means these pans should last you a good long time. Performance is engineered into this set. The frying pans feature stay-cool ergonomic handles, which is a small but crucial detail for comfortable and safe cooking. All cooktops are supported, which is a big deal for versatility. And importantly for many of us, it's induction compatible, a feature we'll touch on more later. The oven-safe construction also adds another layer of utility, allowing you to go from stovetop to oven for finishing dishes, searing meats, or baking. This truly makes it an essential tool for everyday cooking in any kitchen environment. The claim of faster, even cooking results is where the Tri-Ply construction shines. Pure stainless steel, while durable, isn't always the best conductor of heat. This set addresses that by using a multi-layer composite steel construction. This Tri-Ply design, typically meaning a layer of aluminum or copper sandwiched between stainless steel, is what allows for rapid and even heat transfer. This is crucial for preventing hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. Whether you're deep frying, sautéing, broiling, or braising, consistent heat distribution is key, and this construction aims to deliver just that. As I mentioned, compatibility is a major selling point. The high magnetic conductivity ensures these pans are induction ready. But it doesn't stop there. They are fully compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and glass stovetops. This makes this set incredibly versatile for any kitchen setup. And again, the oven-safe feature adds another dimension of flexibility to your cooking. So, let's break down the pros and cons of this stainless steel cookware set. On the pro side, the comprehensive 8-piece collection is excellent value and covers most cooking needs. The PFOA and PTFE-free stainless steel construction provides a healthier and more durable cooking surface. The Tri-Ply construction is a significant plus for even and efficient heating, addressing a common limitation of pure stainless steel. Its universal cooktop compatibility, including induction, and oven-safe feature make it incredibly versatile. Plus, the dishwasher-safe aspect is a welcome convenience for cleanup. However, no product is perfect. For stainless steel, especially uncoated, there's a learning curve. Food can stick if you don't use the right amount of heat and fat, and it requires a bit more attention to cooking techniques than non-stick surfaces. While the handles are designed to stay cool, they can still get warm during prolonged use, so caution is always advised. And while it's oven safe, there's a limit to the temperature it can withstand, so always check the manufacturer's specifications for that. Finally, while it's durable, stainless steel can scratch over time, particularly with metal utensils, so using wood or silicone is recommended for longevity. In conclusion, this 8-piece stainless steel cookware set from HomePan Tri-Pro is a strong contender for anyone looking for a durable, healthy, and versatile addition to their kitchen. The Tri-Ply construction, universal cooktop compatibility, and PFOA/PTFE free design are significant advantages. While it requires a slightly different approach to cooking than non-stick pans, the long-term benefits of stainless steel and a comprehensive set of tools make it a worthwhile investment for most home cooks. Link in the description.